instead of trying to take this upon yourself.
Is it illegal? It's not. Go in the house. Right? You
All right.
go in the house.
I'll see if I can find something there.
No, it's not illegal.
That's the same picture you got, bro.
All right, listen, that car back there is more than 12 inches from the curb. It's about to get towed unless you move it right now. Okay. All right, you got about 30 seconds.
30 seconds?
Yeah. All right, I'm going to go get my ticket book.
Time to get keys.
Go get
Columbus Place 17.
Hi, it's this lady, my next door neighbor. She is parked in front of my house. She's being petty right now. I'm trying to move and leave. She won't let me leave. She won't let me, like, back my car out. Her car is literally up on my bumper. If I back my car up, I'm going to hit her car. I don't want to hit her car. I'm not trying to cause problem right now, but that's what it's going to be. It's going to be a problem if she doesn't come move her car or if this doesn't get resolved here soon because I got to go. And I'm trying to leave.
Is she
and
home?
She's home. We done asked her multiple times to move her car, and she hasn't came outside to do it, and I want.
Hello, what is your address?
In South Warren Avenue.
And what is your name? And what is your phone number?
I don't even know this phone. I don't know this phone number. Hold up, real quick. I'm gonna come back. I gotta get the phone number. I gotta hold on real quick. Hey, what's my number? What's my number? What's my number? What's my number? 614.
Okay. We'll get someone out there for you as soon as we can.
You know how long that's gonna be?
No, I do not. As soon as we get officers available.
Because I'm pretty sure if it's not soon, I'm gonna hit this lady's car, and it's gonna be a problem.
Well, you make your own choices, sir. We'll get someone out there as soon as we can.
All right.
192. I'll take care of that 16 on Warren.
Copy.
Yeah, what's up?
Westmore, 2 teens, male black, white hoodies, male black.
Come on now.
Highlighted hoodies.
Come on now.
Just try to kick in the door of the detached garage.
This is where I park every day. This is where my brother-in-law parks every day. This is our 2 spaces right
Not
here.
the caller's
This
garage.
is her car. Can you come look and see how close she parked to my car?
Okay.
No, I can't get out. This is
Who's the black car?
This is his car. This is her husband's car, whoever he is. Now, this is mine.
I'll go talk to him.
Now, I'm trying to leave and I can't get out.
Can you guys move one of these for me? Can you guys move one of your cars so you can get out?
I have a picture of them hitting my car.
Okay, when did that happen?
Just when I parked my car behind there, that's the reason I did it. Because she had way too much room for her car to be so close to mine, and when I asked them out the window, they kept walking.
When did this happen?
I stopped parking so close to my car, they kept walking.
When was that?
When we pulled.
Hey, listen, chill. I'll talk to you in a minute.
Okay.
When did that happen?
Just, like an hour ago, I went in my phone.
Was there any damage?
Yeah, it was touching. They said, look.
Is there damage?
Go look.
Well, come show me. Come show me.
Be careful.
So I showed him the scratches from her car to our car. Bumper to bumper.
Are you going to need us out there on Orwell Avenue?
Come show me the damage.
You can go, it's right there. Go look
Well,
at the car.
I don't know what your car looks like normally. I need to.
This is their car.
I know. I don't know where the scratches normally are.
Look,
You guys are gonna move one of the cars anyway, so someone come out and show me.
I'm not coming in
Right
there.
at 103, 105, or 108.
Okay. You're trying to tell me that there's damage on your car, but you're not willing to show me where the damage is.
Need MCR on your 34.
What can I do to fix this problem if you're not going to show me anything?
We could have fixed the problem. When I asked them out the window to move their car back.
Okay. Well, right now, one of you guys just have to move your car so they get out.
We couldn't get out.
Okay, but right now, you can.
He's not here right now.
Right now you can. Right now what you're doing is you're playing games.
Like they play games.
Okay, but I'm here now. You could have just called instead of trying to take this upon yourself.
Is it illegal? It's not. Go in the house. Right?
All right.
Go in the house.
I'll see if I can find something there.
No, it's not illegal.
Officer, Derek is on my car.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see any scratches on my car besides here? And this is, I did this when I was driving. I did this a long time ago. There's no damages up here. Up here, officer.
Yeah.
There's no. If she say I'm in it, there's nothing back here that indicates that I did this. You get what I'm saying?
I get what you're saying.
Okay, so where's
Let me look at the other car.
How did I hit the car? You
Pull up on your cameras, then, Miss Ma'am. Pull up on your cameras, Miss Ma'am. You let the kids. Let the kids. Y'all just got me petty. Officer, man.
Yeah.
This is my car right here.
Officer,
hold on,
they
Taylor.
got cameras. Ask to see it if it's really an issue.
Chill.
Usually they park behind me, and I be trying to leave room for myself to get out because he has a long car, and my car is not short. So I be trying to leave space, and we try to park behind the gate.
Okay.
That's a ticket.
Here we go, 7 that's 19 copy. Do you want 5
Oh, it is.
Side door for vacant.
Hey, guys. Come on. Hey, bub.
Chill out.
Go back up.
That's what I'm driving. Listen to what I'm about to say.
Is that your silver car?
This is the same picture you got, Carlos.
Okay.
That is.
Hey, listen.
That's the same picture you got, Carlos.
All right, listen. That car back there is more than 12 inches from the curb. It's about to get towed unless you move it right now.
Okay.
All right, you got about 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Yeah. All right, I'm going to get my ticket book.
Time to get keys.
Go get your keys right now and move that car. It's got a parking violation on it.
They always 30, bro. I just left, so y'all
Hearing
got
for
out
adjustment
y'all
information
got out
is holding.
y'all comfort zone just to move that car from there to here,
I'm with you.
and then move it so she can't
All right.
get out. That's petty.
You guys going to move this car now? They're moving this one. Go on, hop.
That is
I know.
wrong. Like that's petty.
No, I park right there because I was trying to get that from our house.
Okay. You just-
Like Brad's ways to come knock on the door and talk about shit.
We said something multiple times, though. Like, oh, God.
Like we all grown. Like y'all older than me. Y'all older than me. Why y'all gotta do that?
I shouldn't have warned him. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you shouldn't.
I should have just towed it. I don't like this stuff, man.
Yeah, me neither. Like, brother. Like, we
I would go ahead and move this one a little bit so that if they try it again, you can park.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Ryan, move your car back.
I would just move it back like 4 or 5 feet.
About a good 10 feet. Tell me 10 inches.
Let me show you where the
There you
stop
go.
at.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Move it back to the edge. Here. This is where you can park your vehicle.
Well, just do it so that you're not parked in.
No, I'm saying this is our property right
It's not about that.
here. Stop at.
The street belongs to everybody.
We try to always park in front of the
Y'all
This is our property right here. This is our property right here.
It's not about property. Well, I'm just saying, you want to be so that if someone comes in behind you, you can pull out.
Yeah.
I'd probably back up a little further if it were me.
Well, that's the only thing, bro. I try not to pass. Sometimes I do. I try not to. I drive this. I try not to pass it. But then when this car comes all the way up here, I gotta turn that, pick that car, move that car up every time.
Okay.
So I try to stay right here. All I ask is this much space. Y'all got. Like, look at that right there. When they pulled up, it was like a car and a half length work right here.
I'll talk to him again.
That wasn't the issue. They could park wherever they want. We was just trying to get out. That's all we was trying to do.
I know.
That's all we was trying to
We
do.
asked them to move. We asked
Listen,
them to move their car.
everybody needs to stop. You know, this whole problem is just about people not thinking about everybody else, okay?
Thank you.
So, like, all you have to do is, no, listen, I'm talking to them. Listen, I could have just towed it. I could have just towed that.
All I had to do was just move.
No, all I had to do was impound it, and I didn't.
Man,
Listen, I'm telling you, and I'm telling them, if they're just a little bit more cautious and aware of where your vehicle is, then they'll do the same thing to you guys, right? That's all. I know. What I'm doing is I'm telling them that they kind of made a mistake, okay? Right? I'm telling them to leave more space. And I have to yell because you guys are making me raise my voice. So I told them not to park so close to your car, right? You're just more concerned about being right than you are about listening.
No, we're not.
No, listen. It's not about right and wrong. It's just about being considerate.
Thank you. It's all about being considerate.
So,
Let's keep it all the way funky, bro. I'm very ready to pass this code. I try my
That's all it is.
best. Sometimes
He's
I
being
do.
considerate.
there's no age limit that I'm aware of.
Just to leave enough space for this car to get out. If y'all want to.
No, we hire people that are in their 40s.
The car all the way to the bumper, though.
I know. I just told him not to do that. I just told him not to do that, right?
Space, him space, I think everybody's space, but when
Dude.
you all the way up here,
Dude, the problem's solved, and all you're doing is talking for no reason right now.
I'm talking to them, though.
They're not listening because I'm trying to talk to them, and they're trying to listen to me, and you're shouting over me. You're being rude.
We still live here, so
I know.
I'm just reiterating.
Well, that's my job. And then when everyone's more calm, you guys can talk to each other.
When you leave,
Okay? That's why I'm still here.
I'm just saying, you feel me? Like, to whoever drives this, that's all I'm saying. Because I'm going to keep it all the way funky. When my man's right there driving, bro, he always leaves space. I don't know his name,
All right.
bro. Every trip, he leaves space, bro.
I understand.
It's like one driver who always pull up.
That's what I was trying to explain to him, and you were yelling over me, man.
But you don't even know that, though.
I do.
How?
I know everything out here.
Just bogus, bro.
Mm-mm.
You just saying that shit.
I've been out here forever.
True conversation.
I bet this guy right here in Green Bay, you know that I'm for real.
That's what I'm saying.
Bro, for real, bro. What?
Because I look him in the eye, he can look me in the eye, and he's like, this guy knows what he's fucking talking about.
Yes, but what I'm saying is you can't solve this problem.
Yeah. You know what? I've solved a lot of problems over my years.
And we appreciate you solving the one today. Thank you, sir.
Because I just told, you know what I told them? I told them they were being kind of rude by parking too close to you. That's what I said. So it's done. So why don't you just go inside, man? All you're doing is you're gonna keep them getting them upset. Right now is not the time.
Y'all leaving, y'all go ahead and roll up.
I did you a favor by letting you move your car.
Go ahead, Ron. Y'all go.
You're welcome.
Oh, okay.
You don't understand the situation.
I do. I'm officer. Just like
It's been 2 years. And it's been the first year that it's been like this, but this is what happens.
you guys lived here for 2 years by then.
We've been here for 4 years. Don't nobody
Okay,
argue.
it's fine.
Y'all got here, y'all argue.
You know what?
Listen,
Listen, when people are around each other like this, you're bound to have some problems.
Honestly, officer, we never
these people
started
are liars.
I think this is just a big misunderstanding.
Never started.
Just try to be cool.
Tayana. Okay.
You know what?
Shut up, you not
Go. Tayana. Come on. Chill out.
Hey, you know what? Guys, the problem is you keep jaw jacking, and then one of these someone's window is gonna get broke.
Go in the house.
It's not necessary.
Obviously, she did if you talking back. No, she did.
All right.
She did. She did get under your skin.
Yeah.
You don't gotta respond. And she got under your skin because you said something. Yes, you did.
Yeah, you did. Listen, it's all right.
Yeah.
All right.
I
Just
appreciate
give
that.
them some space.
Yes, sir. We can do
All
that.
right. I'll see you guys around.
Yep. Have a good one.
Mm-hmm.